Good afternoon, LC people. Yep. Couldn't be without an LC for long, could I? No, it's not mine. Lincolnshire's been very kind to me this year. This one's just been delivered. Another Lincolnshire bike. The guy bought it last year. He's had several things powder coated. I've screwed quite a bit of it away now. The paintwork's already been done. Akai paintwork, beautiful. I'll put that so somewhere where it won't get damaged. Swing on powder coated silver. That's what he wanted. The frame here. Bless it. Yeah. Santa come look while the guy was here and brought me that. Hey! I might look at it in a bit. I'm not going to start on this LC probably till tomorrow. All my exercise about at the moment with it is pulling all the things out. I need to get it on its wheels for a rolling chassis. So I've got the wheels, got the forks, got the swing arm, got the shock, plastics, a couple of trays of bolts and bits, handlebars and stuff for the wheels and yokes, you know. Just the basics for Dave to get it rolling. And then we'll see where we are with all the rest of the bits. But like I say, these boxes are going to go in a minute. And yeah, it just makes sense, doesn't it? Organise and plan the start of the next rebuild. Just keep out the things that you're going to want to have to put it on the wheels. There's no centre stand, unfortunately, but yeah, you got a side stand. But yeah, I'll keep you posted about it. But this is your part one of another Lincolnshire LC. Thanks for watching. Dilly dilly.